Avvoka, we're always looking to leverage new and exciting technology to ensure that we remain at the very forefront of the document automation market. That's why we've added ChatGPT throughout our no-code automation solution. For now, we focused on two key areas: smart automation, helping you create your templates faster than ever before, and drafting assistance, allowing you to use the full power of OpenAI to mark up, summarize, or recommend changes to your contracts. So here's how it works. Upload your precedent Word documents onto Avvoka and let Smart Automation take care of the rest. Smart Automation can help you identify placeholders, conditions, clauses, and even definitions. Watch as the tool builds custom input fields and adapts your footnote guidance into conditional rules for the inclusion of tailored clauses. Our Smart Automator can even detect links between defined terms and their rules for inclusion in your contract to then replicate the rule in the definition too, saving you even more time and effort. Avvoka automatically builds out the questionnaire for you, but now you can ask OpenAI to refine the wording of these questions for your end users. You can also use OpenAI on your live contracts to gain useful insights while negotiating on Avvoka. ChatGPT can currently summarize parts of your contracts, redraft clauses, and assist you with other tasks while you work to get contracts execution ready. Want to see this in action? Future-proof your document automation by emailing us at accounts@avvoka.com.